is Major B, a year woman, and I'm the current president of the Biojoy Shekiri UK. So we came to celebrate with His Majesty for two reasons. One, to thank him for coming and honoring our invitation in London. He came around with his wife and with his entourage. It was a great event, and I think his presence was a big boost for us, the Shekiri in diaspora, and also to support our charity work. So that's one of the reasons we're here. Two, to celebrate the second year anniversary of his coronation. And we think that in the last 2 years, he has done so well for the Shekiri people. We are now although we are in the minority, but they know us more now because of his work, both locally and internationally, and trying to project the Shekiri image and trying to bring developments to the Shekiri community. So that's why we're here to support him. And today I'm here with the Assistant Welfare Secretary.
Miss Julie Joe. Okay. Julie Joe. Okay, Julie Joe. Thank you. Okay, sir. Today now, how do you guys feel witnessing this wonderful?
So we are excited to see everybody come together. You know, when it's time like this, we set aside our differences, we come together to work as one and to celebrate our king. We have one king, there's no other king than our king. And we are proud of him, we are proud of our culture, we are proud of our heritage. And you can see that was on display today. The atmosphere was warm and friendly. And so it's very good for us to be here today. When I'm going back home, my home now is in the United Kingdom, I will just go back and tell people that we saw Baba, and Baba was happy to see us. And I think for us to come and show our appreciation is to show that we are good children. So we have a good father, and then by God's grace we are good children. We've come to appreciate what our father has done for us.
So what's the final good message to
I would say let's come together and build our community. There's plenty of things for us to do, either in health or in education, or like Ogiame said, infrastructural development. We want our community to be viable, we want our community to prosper, and we want the people who live in our communities to thrive. We don't just want them to exist. We want to be able to put things in place that will enable them to thrive, either in the urban area or in the rural area within the Warri Kingdom.
Thank you very much, sir, for your time.
His Majesty Ogiame Atuwatse III was the Chancellor of the Federal University, Niger State. The group of announcement is Dr. Akomon representing.
Speaker.
Alero, we appreciate you. Hello. Thank you very much.